In this clip we're going to be looking at surds and particularly looking for, I'm going to call this looking for square numbers as a technique that will help us, particularly when we have to simplify surds. So we might be asked to simplify a surd in the form A root B. Now what does this look like in practice? Well, let's look at our first example. So if I had, how can I simplify root 24? Well, the thing that I've got to be thinking about always is square numbers. So it pays to become familiar with them. You know, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, and so on. You know, I'm pretty sure you'll be comfortable with square numbers. So I want to be looking at that and thinking, can I spot the potential for a square number in there? And the answer is, I've actually got, if I simplify that, I could write it, couldn't I, as 6 multiplied by 4, and we know therefore there's our square number. So that would simplify. When we square that, we put the number on the outside, and so that would give us 2 root 6. Now that's a relatively straightforward one. Just be careful, because inevitably they get a bit trickier than that. Look at this one. So if I this time had root 98, now this is a bit trickier, because I don't know about you, but I can't just look at that and think, oh yeah, I can see a square number in that. However, if I start to think, right, and this is my advice to you, use short division and trial and improvement to see if anything comes to light. Well, as soon as we start that process, just look. So if I've got here, I'm going to say, what if I divided that by 2? Oh, I've got a result. So immediately now I can see that I can simplify 98 is the same as root 2 times 49. And now, bingo, I've got my square number. So I know the square root of 49 is 7, so I can simplify that to 7 root 2. And that's the benefit of looking for square numbers. It's really helpful when we have to simplify a surd. And that's it.